Articles. Articles are used before a naming word. They are used to point out name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Articles are of three types. They are a, an, and the. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These 26 letters of the English alphabet are divided into two sounds. They are vowel sound and consonant sound. Vowels. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Article A and an. Article A. The article A is used before a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a cow, a pen, a dog, a hen, a book, a rat, a car, a butterfly. Article an. The article an is used before a naming word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an ant, an ostrich, an eagle, an apple, an eye, an umbrella, an alligator. Few exceptions. There are few words in the English language which, although begin with a vowel but sounds like a consonant. With such words, we use the article a and not an. For example, a uniform, a unicorn. There are few words in the English language which, although begin with a consonant but sounds like a vowel. With such words, we use the article an and not a. For example, an hour, an honest man. Article the. Article the. Article the is used when we talk about a particular person, place, animal, or thing. For example, the dog, the owl. We use article the when the same naming word is used again. For example, I have a doll. The doll is very beautiful. I have an umbrella. The umbrella is colorful. We also use article the when the naming word is in many form. For example, the books, the children, the oranges, the umbrellas. We use article the with a naming word that is unique and is only one of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Bible, the Ganga, the gateway of India, the Yamuna. Thank you.